Don't stop! The remains of a Tyrannosaurus can be found here. Let's check it out. Hooray! Let's clean up the findings to determine what we found. Let's swipe along the findings with a brush to clean them. Let's wash the findings. Amazing! Let's assemble a truck. You're doing really great. First, let's fuel the truck. Done! Let's set up camp and get our tools for excavation ready. Let's wash the truck. Hooray! We need to assemble a red off-roader. Ready. First, let's fuel the red off-roader. That's all. Let's excavate the skeleton of a Tyrannosaurus. Tap on the earth tile. Ready. Let's wash the red off-roader. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the crane. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the crane. Don't stop. Let's load up the packed bones of a Tyrannosaurus and take them for the examination. Let's wash the crane. Hooray! We need to assemble the skeleton of a Tyrannosaurus. Don't stop! And now let's bring a dinosaur to life. This is a Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus had very sharp eyesight, a good sense of smell, and large teeth. The Tyrannosaurus was about 5 meters tall, which is like a 2-story house. Tyrannosaurus is the largest predator that ever lived on Earth. We've learned a lot about the king of all dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus. A very special dinosaur lived on Madagascar. Let's learn more about it. We did it! We've learned that we can find Masiacosaurus on the